Want to speak to a global audience with your videos? Let's get started. First, open your Capcut project. Make sure you have some text already added to your video timeline. If you don't, tap the text option at the bottom, then add text. Tap on the text layer in your timeline to select it. Now look at the bottom toolbar. Scroll until you find Style and tap on it. You'll see options for fonts, styles, and more, but we need to go deeper. Right up top, tap on Font. This opens up your font library. Now, most people miss this. Look to the upper right corner. See that little filter icon? Tap it. This will bring up language options. Here, you can select the language you want to add support for. For example, tap Japanese. Capcut will now show you fonts that support Japanese characters. Select the one you like best. Now you can type in Japanese. Repeat these steps to add support for other languages you need. And that's how you add language support to Capcut. Now go create content that speaks to the world.